Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check app history in Windows 11 from Task Manager. So for this case I will go to the Task Manager that I have to write some things, tasks, see the Task Manager as well as the systems. So open from here, click just, or you can open from the here. So see here the process task manager. I want to check the apps history, so I have clicked this. See the app history has been here. That means how many apps and which apps I have been installed in my computer, in my laptop, that has been shown in this area. So here the deleted users history, this is the rescue users since 11, 19 and 2024 for current user and the system account. See, so these the things has been here the apps, this has been apps has been executing, and the CPU time, network notifications. So in this way we can check the apps history. So thank you so much. Oh, here also the type a name, publisher or PID, that means the process ID, to search to check the things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.